Hi, this is Teacher Jen from camglish.com and welcome again to a new lesson on essential English patterns. Today, we will discuss a new pattern, but before we go on, let's go back with the last pattern we had on our last video. It is the pattern, is it possible? Is it possible? For an example, is it possible that he likes me? Is it possible that he likes me? So when you use that pattern, what you mean or what you want to express is that you can't believe, okay? Or you want to ask, okay, if it's possible that he likes you, okay? Now let's go on to our lesson for today. Our pattern for today is that okay with? Is that okay with? Okay, so the word okay, you already know what that means. It means alright, approved, accepted, or allowable. Okay, that is the word okay. Now, we have the word with here. Okay, so that means the next word, okay, can be a person. Is that okay with? Okay, it can be you, your boss, your mother, or anyone. As long as it's a person, it is the next word after with. Okay? So, now, you are asking, okay, it's like you are asking a permission from someone. Okay, or you're asking if it's approved or acceptable or allowable to someone, what you're going to do. Okay, let's have some sample sentences so that you will understand our pattern more. Number 1, is that okay with you? Is that okay with you? Okay, so you can see all the words after with is a person. You, and your boss. Okay, so that means we have someone, okay, that we are pertaining to the action. Okay, now let's go on. Is that okay with you? So that means you're asking if something is alright with someone or with you. So is that okay with you? That here means something. Okay, and you're talking about it and you are using the word that to pertain to it. Is that okay with you? Okay, how about number 2? Is that okay with you if I leave my coat here? Is that okay with you if I leave my coat here? Okay, so here we have the word you because we are asking permission from you. Okay, and you are talking about yourself, I. Okay, so that means you are the one who will make the action. Okay, so you are asking permission if your action is acceptable to this person, you. Okay, so is that okay with you if I leave my coat here? You're asking permission if it is okay or alright to put the coat in that place. Okay, how about number 3? Is that okay with you if I borrow this book? Is that okay with you if I borrow this book? Okay, again, so we are asking permission from this person to get the book. You will get the book from that person. So you're asking if is that okay with you, with him or her? Okay, how about number 4? Is that okay with you if I use your phone? Is that okay with you if I use your phone? So now, again, you're asking permission from this person to use the phone, to use his or her phone. Number 5, is that okay with your boss if you take a few days off? Is that okay with your boss if you take a few days off? Okay, so we are asking the approval, okay, of your boss, of the boss. Okay, if it's okay or if it's acceptable, if you will have a vacation for a few days. Okay? So, it's very easy, right? Now, let's make our own sentences. For example, is it okay with him if you will come with me tomorrow? Is it okay with him if you will come with me tomorrow? So it's like I'm making sure and asking permission if you are okay, or is it alright if you will come with me tomorrow? Okay, making an assurance if another person, someone, that person will allow you to come with me for tomorrow. Okay, now let's read the following sentences again. Please follow me. Is that okay with you? Is that okay with you if I leave my coat here? Is that okay with you if I borrow this book? Is that okay with you if I use your phone? Is that okay with your boss if you take a few days off? Very good. Now, let's go on to the dialogue part, okay? And for number 1, I will be B. For number 2, I will be A. Let's start with number 1. I love to read. Sure, you can borrow as many as you'd like. Very good. How about number 2? I would like a tall latte, please. Sure, I don't mind waiting. Very good. So latte is a kind of coffee, okay? And that is very common when you order coffee in Starbucks, okay? So now let's go back here and I want you to memorize all of these sentences, okay? And don't forget to make your own sentences as well and use them whenever you have the chance to express yourself in English, because you can express yourself more with the help of this pattern. Okay? So, anyway, this is the end of our lesson for this video. See you on our next class. This is Teacher Jen saying goodbye and see you again. Bye!